All right, I am going to share the shampoo and conditioner that I love by Olaplex. It is number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I've been using this for a little over a year now, and it's really helped to transform my hair. My hairdresser recommended it when she saw some damage happening. So this is my go-to. I use it 2 to 3 times a week. So I start with the shampoo, and you really need about a dime size, and it goes extremely far. It does lather. It doesn't have any sulfates. It's not going to strip your hair of the color. But what I really like about this, compared to a lot of other sulfate-free, is it doesn't sud, and this does sud. It has a very thick sud. Even with a dime size drop, it's really unbelievable. So that's awesome. I put that in, and then I follow with the conditioner in the shower. I do a little bit more portion of this just because I want to coat more of my hair. But again, you don't need a lot of it. And this has really helped transform my hair slowly as I repair it from damage, a lot of coloring and sun damage and treatments. So it's smoothing, it helps nourish, it repairs, and it's not heavy, it's not weighty, there's not a strong scent either. It's a nice scent, but it's not like a super strong scent. And I really, really love these products, and I continue to keep buying them again and again.